After a long and exhausting journey from Zamboanga City, 200 dancers and prop artists have finally arrived in Cebu, eager to participate in the Sinulog 2025 Grand Parade. Though tired from the long trip, there's a spirit of joy and excitement among the group as they prepare to honor Señor Santo Niño with a performance full of devotion and passion. This is a particularly special moment for the Zamboanga City contingent as it marks the first time they've ever participated in the Sinulog Festival.
Siguro okay ang din ang mga bata in a long trip from Zamboanga to Dipolog by land. Tapos from Dipolog by vessel.
Their group can't wait to bring the beauty of the Hermosa Festival to the streets of Cebu. Hermosa, meaning beautiful in Spanish, perfectly captures the spirit of their performance, a tribute to the beauty found in their culture and devotion. The performance will also pay homage to Nuestra Señora la Virgen del Pilar, the patroness of Zamboanga, showing their deep spiritual connection and gratitude.
For a change, for experience, and of course with the invitation of the Sinulog Foundation.
Hundreds of dancers from Zamboanga City will dance in the Sinulog-based category, determined to leave a lasting impression on the crowd. The contingent is currently staying in 18 classrooms at Abiliana National School until the end of the Fiesta Señor's festivities. The arrival of out-of-town contingents like Zamboanga has been met with warmth and hospitality from the local organizers in Cebu, who have been making sure every visitor is taken care of.
We prepare the billeting quarters for the sleeping classrooms, and we have portabots and portalets. Classes are in modular learning, MDL. We make use of the modules, so learning continues, but they will do it at home. We are happy and delighted to be of service of our visitors coming from Zamboanga City. As a public servant, we make sure that their stay in Abiliana is safe and they can create memories.
In addition to Zamboanga City, the Dipolog contingent is also ready to showcase their talent and passion. The 𝗬𝗲𝗰𝗂𝗪 Dance Guild Incorporated is making a special return to Sinulog after 22 years, and they are excited to be back in the grand celebration.
Nagpadayon pag gihapon mi sa mga bata pag-monitor na wala pa'y competition kay it is because sa ilang kadaghanon amo gyud silang atimanon og maayo.
The Dipolog contingent's return to the Sinulog Grand Stage will be a celebration of the diversity and unity in their community. Their performance will tell the story of the tri-people of Dipolog City and Zamboanga del Norte, the Subanen, Muslims, and Christians united in peace and harmony.
Sa among preparation, I guess murag sa start sa mo ang pag-realize sa mo ang concept lisod kaayo kay more on cultural kay among dance dayon religious ang festival nga among giapilan. That's why nagplan kay mi og ayo so that makakam up mi og production nga makalid into parahalan ni Señor Santo Niño. Pero of course, gina-look out gid pud namo nga walay culture nga matumban.
This is 𝗬𝗲𝗯𝗂𝗋 for Sinulog 2025 sa 𝗪𝗲𝗶, Cebu.